Europe's largest astronomy gathering for 9 years was launched in the UK, with more than 1,000 astronomers and space scientists from around the world coming under one roof. The event was hosted by the University of Hertfordshire as part of the International Year of Astronomy and was opened by the UK Science Minister, Lord Paul Drayson.
We're home in the UK to the world's leading capital market for the financing of satellite and applications, to some of the very best software engineers and ground segment operations. I believe that looking ahead, our scientists and space-related businesses have great opportunities to create further jobs and to deliver tangible benefits to mankind.
The Minister was given a tour of some of the main exhibits at the conference. The ExoMars is a space rover which will be used on future Mars space missions, together with satellite models from the European Space Agency. Created by British-based EADS Astrium, it has a drill to collect samples from below the surface and will work together with satellite models and large ground-based telescopes.
Yeah, it's brilliant, isn't it? And it really has the ability to inspire people. It's a great piece of engineering that's gone into this, a real, I think, success story for European space. And it really gives an example of just how important this conference this week is and the range of space and astronomy research activities which are taking place now.
The ExoMars rover was one of many new technologies being showcased at the event, which is the first in the UK to bring experts in astronomy together for 16 years.
It's about all of the space research and astronomy research communities coming together for a week to discuss the really important themes that are taking place at the moment. It's also a very important opportunity for us to communicate the vital importance of space research to the wider public. So it's interesting this morning, the coverage that we had on the news. It's also good that later on in the week, on Friday, a number of school children are going to be here and going to be part of the conference, so get their hands on some space technology like this themselves, talking about some of the emerging research themes within the area. And I think that's a very important role that the community has. It's not just about the community talking amongst itself at this conference, but also communicating to the wider world the real importance of space research to address some of the most important challenges that we face, things like climate change.
The Minister is encouraging continued investment in science and space research in the UK to help keep its lead. He said the UK is only second in the world to the United States in terms of carrying out this type of space research. It also has a strong and growing space business sector, generating over £6 billion worth of turnover and employing significant numbers of people. As well as sharing and generating ideas, the conference provides an ideal platform to engage a new generation to get involved in this high-tech, high-value-added industry and keep the UK a world leader in the future.